Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a iiiF150 Air 2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive. Basically the date and time, usually you will find also the time zone option to be inactive. It is because we are right now using the automatic options. So first of all we have to tap on this first option and tap on off. Now we can freely tap on set date and choose the date from the calendar, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just tap on it and choose it from the clock, confirm it with OK. As you can see, it will be immediately applied. Here you can tap on the switcher to turn it off and select the time zone manually. Just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've got the full list. So find yours and tap on it, and of course it will be immediately applied. Here you can decide whether you want to use location to set the time zone. As you can see, this automatic time zone is off, so it does not really matter. And here the clock format, you can use local default, which is more or less automatic, and here you can manually decide. So right now you can use the 24-hour format, and just by tapping on the switcher and turning it off you can use 12-hour format. So this is the manual customization. And of course you can go back to the previous settings, so the automatic options, just by using those switchers, the first switcher here and here, by choosing either network provided time or GPS provided time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.